this one are breaking news. It happens about 2-3 hours ago. Very dark man have been missing. They say they don't kidnap very dark man, my people. This one now very, very shocking one. Well, remember, say, before I go talk with you, I want to talk. Make we listen to this first.
Followed my mom to the bank and he posted that, yes, so he's in GTBank and they are trying to sort out things and the bank actually complying with him. Next moment, I got a call from my mom. She was crying that policemen came and arrested my brother. On what basis? Is it a crime that you come and speak out for Nigeria when people are blind? Or is it a crime that you come out and make people see where they can't see? I don't understand. Like, what is going on? What is this guy's crime, for Christ's sake? Why do you guys keep coming for this guy? See, I don't have a problem with the police people because you guys are just people wearing on uniform. You are just putting on uniform. But then, Abba, waiting they do this country. Waiting, I feel like they use power anyhow. Waiting do when I come arrest them. What is going on in Nigeria, for Christ's sake? Followed my mom to the bank and he posted that, yes, so he's in GTBank and they are trying to sort.
GTBank, please come and tell us the whereabouts of Very Dark Man. The last place we know we saw him was inside your bank. Very Dark Man has been missing for the past few hours. It is alleged that some police officers came to arrest Very Dark Man inside the GTB premises. Please come and tell Nigerians where Very Dark Man is. Is this a move to cover up your tracks? Because the last time we saw Very Dark Man was inside your bank. You don't have any right to come and pick up anybody like that. GTB, are you trying to cover your crimes? You think you can come and take people's money without... Please, tell us where Very Dark Man is now, because we don't know. All efforts to look for him have been unsuccessful. We want to know where is VDM. Skokupi. Allah. GTBank, please come and tell us the whereabouts of Very Dark Man. The last place we know we saw him was inside your bank. Very Dark Man has been missing for the past few hours. It is alleged that some police officers came to arrest Very Dark Man inside the GTB premises. Please come and tell Nigerians where Very Dark Man is. Is this a move to cover up your tracks? Because the last time we saw Very Dark Man was inside your bank. You don't have any right to come and pick up anybody like that. GTB, are you trying to cover your crimes? You think you can come and take people's money without... Please, tell us where Very Dark Man is now, because we don't know. All efforts to look for him have been unsuccessful. We want to know where is VDM. Skokupi. Allah.
Is missing. VDM is missing. How? How? Say they kidnap him. How? Who? Where? When? Just in a broad daylight like this, they can't carry person. VDM is missing. How? When I want to understand how. What did him do? What did he do when they go kidnap him? Wait. Oh God, oh God, oh God. These people have succeeded. Oh God. But una never succeed finish. Oh, una no go succeed. Una think say by kidnapping, una no go succeed. You people will not succeed. You people, I cover video with the blood of Jesus anywhere he is. Oh God, my God. Hey, you see Nigerians. You know go better for Nigerian. Una no like truth. Nigeria no like truth. Just this one person will come out, bring himself for one front. Come out, turn to voice of the voiceless. Now him una don't kidnap him because saying they talk truth. You don't go better for una. I swear. People kunura akunu na kidnapping of VDM. You don't go better for una. You don't go better for una. Which one is that VDM is missing? Which kind of talk be that? Just from nowhere, VDM is missing. Oh God, Jesus Christ. I don't even know what to say.
This one, I don't know as I want to talk. I need to be careful here. Very Dark Man went to GTBank. Yesterday, Very Dark Man reported how they take money from Mama Bank and all that, the salary of a mother, how the GTBank have been withdrawing or stealing it and all that. Yesterday, talk about it. You know, I don't want to include the video here, but some of you might have seen it, or in case you never seen, if you go a page, maybe go see it. Then today, posted another video again, which is part of what you just watched right now. That, yeah, I'm in bank, I'm at the bank, you know, with my mom, you know, to come and sort out whatever that'll be happening with the mother's account. Now, after then, he posted this video about 2-3 hours ago. Then, Very Dark Man, the kidnapper. My people, make we remember, say, Very Dark Man talk about bank, fine. Very Dark Man also use bank talk about the untouchable. Remember the video where I do today, go watch out. I talk and say, these people are untouchable. Even the broadcast we did yesterday, they are untouchable. Very Dark Man talk about the untouchable, which I don't will mention the name anymore. The untouchable that is currently trending in Nigeria. That particular video, that untouchable, when you do, the way to analyze them, my mind tell me say it be as it gets. My people, we're in a country where you are not allowed to speak. We're in a country where if you speak, you're on your own. The reason why I call Nigerians cowards, I just pray nothing happen to Very Dark Man. God forbid. Most Nigerians will speak from their room. It's very unfortunate this is how or where we find ourselves in this country. It's very sad that Very Dark Man have been kidnapped. Unknown gunmen wearing black according to the description. They bundled him away. As we speak, his whereabouts, we don't know. What do I know? I just thought I should bring this to you guys. Take care and bye for now.